Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Are you using ChatGPT for research by simply typing, "Write my research paper"? Stop doing that. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts that can help you choose a research topic, find a research gap, analyze papers, improve your literature review, and build a stronger thesis. And the best part? I'll show you exactly how to use each prompt. Let's start with the first step, finding a research topic. Instead of asking ChatGPT for random topics, give it your field, population, location, and research interest. Try this prompt. Act as an experienced research supervisor. Based on my field of F, research interest in I, target population P, and geographical context C, suggest 10 current and researchable topics. For each topic, explain the research problem, key variables, possible research gap, and why the topic is worth studying. Once you have a topic, don't immediately start writing. First, find out what's missing in existing research. Use this prompt. Act as a PhD research supervisor. Analyze the existing literature on topic. Identify potential research gaps related to theoretical gaps, methodological gaps, contextual gaps, population gaps, geographical gaps, and variable gaps. Explain each gap and suggest which one could lead to a strong research study. Do not invent sources. Clearly distinguish between evidence-based gaps and possible gaps that require verification. Your next challenge is finding the right papers. Instead of searching randomly, ask ChatGPT to help you create a targeted search strategy. Create a systematic academic search strategy for my research topic. Generate relevant keywords, synonyms, Boolean search strings, inclusion criteria, exclusion criteria, and recommended academic databases. Prioritize recent peer-reviewed literature from the last 5 years. Found a complicated research paper? Don't ask ChatGPT to simply summarize it. Ask it to break the paper down like a research supervisor. Analyze the following research paper and explain its research problem, objectives, theoretical framework, methodology, sample, variables, major findings, limitations, and recommendations for future research. Present the analysis in a clear table and explain difficult concepts in simple academic language. Now, let's move to one of the most difficult parts of research, the literature review. Don't ask AI to write a literature review from nothing. Give it your verified papers and notes. Using only the studies and notes I provide, organize the literature into logical themes. Compare the studies based on their objectives, methods, samples, findings, and limitations. Identify similarities, differences, contradictions, and emerging themes. Then create a coherent literature review outline. Do not create or invent citations. Have a research problem but don't know how to write it academically? Use this prompt. Act as a senior academic researcher. Review my research problem statement below. Improve its academic clarity, logical flow, coherence, and justification. Make sure it clearly explains the background, current problem, consequences, research gap, and need for the study. Remove repetition and unsupported claims without adding fabricated evidence. Your research gap should lead directly to your research questions. Here's a prompt that helps maintain that connection. Based on the following research problem, research gap, and variables, generate 3 to 5 clear and researchable research questions. Ensure that each question directly addresses the identified gap and aligns with the proposed research objectives. Avoid vague or overly broad questions. Next, turn your research questions into measurable objectives. Convert the following research questions into specific, measurable, and logically aligned research objectives. Use appropriate academic action verbs, such as examine, assess, determine, investigate, and evaluate. Ensure there is a clear one-to-one alignment between each research question and objective. Now, let's turn your variables into a conceptual framework. ChatGPT can help you identify the relationships, but you should verify them against relevant theories and literature. Based on my research topic, variables, research questions, and relevant literature, identify the independent variable, dependent variable, mediator, moderator, and control variables where appropriate. Explain the expected relationships between them and suggest suitable theoretical foundations. Then provide a clear conceptual framework structure that I can convert into a diagram. Finally, use ChatGPT as a research supervisor, not as a ghostwriter. Give it your proposal and ask it to find weaknesses. Act as a critical PhD research supervisor. Review my research proposal for alignment, logical consistency, research gap, objectives, research questions, theoretical framework, conceptual framework, methodology, sampling, data collection, and feasibility. Identify weaknesses, inconsistencies, unsupported claims, and areas requiring stronger evidence. Provide specific recommendations for improvement. Do not rewrite the entire proposal unless requested. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical AI research tutorials. And save this video. You can come back to these prompts whenever you're working on your thesis or research proposal. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Notebook LM to analyze multiple research papers at once.